Hey everybody, Mishmash Moto here. I just wanted to show you a little trick that I use sometimes on motorcycles that have a little age to them. This bike's 25 years old and it's getting a little bit of rust on the spokes and stuff, as you can see. What I use to remove that rust is 4/0 steel wool. That's steel wool with 4 zeros. Wrap it around there. Sorry, kind of tricky to do with 2 fingers. And with no more time than that spoke right there looks a whole lot better, doesn't it? So even on the rustier ones, like you can see, this one's pretty bad. That's a whole lot better. It's not perfect, but light stuff like this, I mean, it's just a stroke or two. It comes right off. Way better. Anyways, that's what I do. It's a good little tip and trick that you may want to try. Sometimes, like this one where it's heavily rusted, there's not much you can do with it other than get the bulk of the heavy rust off. But you can see on some of these, they shine up pretty good, pretty quick. So after about an hour of cleanup, that's what we turned out with. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Lots of metal filings on the ground. Wear a respirator and gloves if you want to. Probably a good idea.